Welcome to Little Soul Cine. Today, we'll embark on a journey of self-discovery, pondering the timeless question, who am I? Find a comfortable place, relax, and let your mind wander as we explore the depths of identity and existence. To understand who we are, we must start at the very beginning. From the moment we are born, we are given a name, an identity, and a place within our family and society. These labels shape our initial understanding of ourselves. But is that all there is to who we are? As children, our personalities begin to form. We develop likes and dislikes, hobbies and interests. We learn from our environment and the people around us. Our family, friends, teachers, and even strangers we encounter contribute to the mosaic of our identity. Yet, we are more than just the sum of our experiences and influences. Think about your earliest memories. What do they tell you about who you were then and who you are now? How much have you changed? Reflecting on these memories can give us insight into the core aspects of our being that have remained constant, as well as those that have evolved. As we grow older, we often begin to question the labels and roles assigned to us. Am I defined by my job, my relationships, or my achievements? Or is there something deeper, more intrinsic that defines me? This period of questioning can be both challenging and enlightening. It's a crucial part of the journey to self-awareness. Consider your values and beliefs. What do you stand for? What principles guide your actions and decisions? These are often key components of our identity, shaped by a combination of internal reflection and external influences. Our values may evolve over time, but they often reveal a lot about our true selves. Another important aspect to consider is our passions and aspirations. What activities make you feel most alive? What dreams do you hold dear? Our passions can be powerful indicators of our true selves, pointing us toward what we find most meaningful and fulfilling in life. Let's take a moment now to breathe deeply and reflect. Inhale slowly, and exhale. As you breathe, think about the roles you play in life. You might be a parent, a friend, a professional, an artist. Each role is a part of you, but none of them fully encapsulate who you are. Our relationships also play a crucial role in shaping our identity. How do we relate to others? What do our interactions reveal about our true selves? Through our connections, we often discover parts of ourselves that we didn't know existed. These relationships can challenge us, support us, and help us grow. Think about the times when you felt most authentic. When you were not trying to fit into a mold or meet others' expectations. Those moments of authenticity are like glimpses into your true self, unburdened by societal pressures or external demands. As we move through life, our identity continues to shift and grow. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving process. Embracing this fluidity can be liberating, allowing us to adapt and change while staying true to our core values and beliefs. Meditation and mindfulness practices can be powerful tools for self-discovery. By quieting the mind and turning inward, we can connect with our deeper selves. In the stillness, we can find clarity and insight, shedding light on who we truly are. At the heart of this journey is the understanding that identity is not fixed. It's a journey, not a destination. Each experience, each relationship, and each moment of reflection adds a new layer to our understanding of who we are. So, who are you? You are a unique blend of your experiences, values, passions, and relationships. You are the sum of your memories and dreams, your strengths and vulnerabilities. You are ever-changing, yet fundamentally you. As you drift off to sleep tonight, let these thoughts wash over you. Embrace the mystery and beauty of your own identity. Know that this journey of self-discovery is a lifelong adventure, filled with wonder and endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this journey has brought you a sense of peace and introspection. Remember to subscribe and join us for more explorations into the mind and soul.